Do you want your case to protect your gear or destroy it? Do you love having zero flexibility with your rifle case options? Are you still using the same foam you used when you had dial-up internet? Do you enjoy being messy and disorganized? Well, neither do we. That's why we created the DAKA Universal GRID Organizer. It's the ultimate solution for strength, security, and organization. Just measure it, cut it, and install just about anywhere. The DAKA Universal GRID Organizer is the most versatile and robust organization system ever created for your guns and gear. So what are you waiting for? Mom to come clean up after you? Grab your DAKA Universal GRID Organizer today at magpul.com or your local Magpul retailer.